Hey, welcome to my playthrough for Tax Heaven 3000. So this is my first time playing a visual novel, unless you count like Phoenix Wright. Then maybe it's not my first, but do you count Phoenix Wright as a visual novel? But anyway, this is like visual novel dating sim. I also played that. There was another dating sim I played, but it's like, what was that game called again? It's like a hentai game with, you know, with the puzzle, like Candy Crush kind of puzzle kind of mechanics. I forgot what it's called. Does my mouse not show up? Yeah, okay, it does. So yeah, some background before I play this. I am an accountant. I studied accounting, American. Well, when I was in ACD, I did study some accounting, so I studied it under the US GAAP, which stands for General Accounting. What does the other A stand for? GAAP. 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 Generally accepted accounting principles. So GAAP is like US, and then later on I studied in a UK college where I studied like UK ICE, what's called ISA, International Standards of Accounting, and then also international and IFRS, stuff like that, which is international financial reporting standards. But I mostly studied UK stuff. I don't remember if I studied American taxation, but I did study UK taxation when I was in college, and also for my ACCA I studied accounting, and then I finished, and my advanced test was in advanced accounting. Tax. My advanced papers were auditing and for taxation. So I studied UK taxation, but I assume this is American taxation. So we're gonna go in. I heard that American taxation is nuts. And it's weird that most of the world, they use ISA, International Standards of Accounting. Sorry, no, IAS, International Accounting Standards, while US has GAAP. Even though they are very similar, and there have been moves, I think even 10 years ago, to make them very close to each other. I don't know how close though. I remember I even bought a book that, like, oh, this book will tell you the difference between US GAAP and whatever. I only went through one chapter of it, and it's probably super old by now. So, so I have, you know, it's probably like outdated. But anyway, let's go. New game. This is also a dating sim. Oof. Okay. First name is Rich, last name is Jammer. Okay, what's the middle name? Rich is Isha Jammer. Rich Isha Jammer. Save settings. Okay. Okay. Phew. There we go. I've officially moved in. To what? Clothes, a TV, a chair. If I moved into a house like this without any furniture, I'd buy a chair where I could sit on the floor, and it'd be, you know, although I do probably want something up like this, so that you know, I could have my legs down like that. But I don't know, like I'd probably be sitting on the floor. It'd probably be a bed slash couch deal. But anyway, moving sure obliterates your ability to think about anything else. My mind is drained, and after hauling chairs into a new apartment, my body isn't feeling What chairs? You only hauled one chair. This fine bright day, the spring could be a fresh start. I'll be more energized, happier maybe. I'll even find that special someone. Okay, might as well walk around and get to know the town a little bit. Plus, I need to grab a pencil to fill out some final paperwork for my lease. I should keep an eye for a stationery store or something. Can I go on a date with other girls? Well, why only showing that one girl? Well, it's certainly not the biggest town in the world. Always something to be said for walkable infrastructure. Okay. Cute cafe near me. Is this the cute cafe? Streets seem pretty lively. You sure? There's nobody around. There's a bit of business district too. Show lively and there's no people on the street. Even just like... Just put some random background characters that are just like black shapes or shadowy figures or whatever. It has cute mask. Oh, that's the stationery store. Mulberry press. Mulberry is a fruit, isn't it? Or is it a plant that you get mulberry fruits from? I have no idea. Never sure exactly what kind of products a store like this sells, but I bet I can at least get a pencil in here. Probably you could go to a supermarket or a grocery store, whatever. You gotta go to a special stationery store. Ooh, watch. Oof. Iris. Oh, it's supposed to be IRS? The dunce. Yikes, I was so caught up trying to decipher the contents of this Hygie little store that I wasn't... What the heck is Hygie? Let me Google that. What the heck is... Hyggee. Quality of coziness and comfortable conviviality that engenders a feeling of contentment or well-being, regarded as defining characteristic of Danish culture. What? What? I wasn't paying attention to where I was going and I bumped into... Okay. Are you okay? This incredibly cute girl. I'm so sorry I didn't see you there. You're not hurt, are you? Yeah, looks like I'm fine. But hang on, how about as an apology, you tell me your name? How about fuck off, lady? God damn it. If I bumped into a lady and the lady was like that for me in real life, I'd be like, none of your business. I wouldn't be able to tell that they're kind of trying to flirt with me or something, or they're interested. It would like, oops, just went over my head. Haha, my name is Iris. What? Oh, I'm the one who asked that. Okay. I thought I should pay attention to the text. Like it says here, Iris. Okay, that's it. My name is Iris. What's yours? I'm Rich. I just moved here. Oh, really? So, Rich, you're a U.S. resident? I'm not sure. So how do you tell if you're okay, U.S. resident? In UK, what was U.S. resident? UK residency? It's something like you have to be in the country for a certain amount of days. I could probably go look it up. You know what? I'll look it up. I'm gonna go to Open Tuition, ACCA, Open Tuition. Don't remember exactly the. I have one viewer and one like, but no comments. Who's this? Okay, I'm gonna look up right now for UK taxation. Yeah, I lost a viewer, but I still have a like for some reason. Okay. Let me look it up. Remember when I said that this probably will take an hour, but the way I'm playing it, it definitely won't take an hour. It definitely will be over an hour. Right? Okay. residents. Okay, so in UK residents. Okay, wait, just a sec. Let me show this. Okay, monitor one capture. So here you go, residents. Can I zoom in? Okay, this is UK tax. So taxpayers' liability to income tax, blah blah blah. UK resident will be liable to income tax, blah blah. These rules are detailed and based. So I remember when I was telling this to my mom, like oh, I don't know, like she said, oh, your aunt, of course she's a resident. She's got a UK passport. No, even if you're a citizen, you were born there, whatever, like you'd have to fall under this to heck, even if you're not a resident, whatever, you're a foreigner and you live there for a certain amount of days, you are considered resident. And if you are, you're under certain UK tax. So so here you've got some rules. So here, previously resident, not resident. So less than 16 days, automatically not resident. Automatically not resident. 16 to 45 days. So resident if UK, for UK ties. So what are UK ties? Just a sec. So UK ties. What are the UK ties? I forgot what they were. But we'll go through that a little bit later. So if it's not previously resident, automatic not. And then you've got these other rules here. Whatever. And it depends on the thing. Say UK ties. So let's go UK ties. Let's search for that. The UK ties. So you need, like over there it showed you some, right? So here like 5 UK ties. Spouse, civil partner, or child under 18 years old in the UK. Okay, accommodation available in UK which is used during tax year. Again, that also has rules to it. And then in UK for more than 90 days in either of 2 previous tax years. So like you're previously a resident or whatever. A 90 day, okay. More time in UK than any other country in tax year. And doing substantive work in UK. So like imagine like you travel a lot, so you're like out of the country, but you travel a lot and you don't, you know, stay there a lot. But if you spend most of your time in the UK, you're considered like it, that you have a UK tie. So those are the rules in the UK. Okay. Go back to the game. Let's say I'm a foreigner. Since we're new to this town, I'll say I'm not sure. Well, let's save it here. Do you have a green card in 2022? So this is for tax year 2022. Let's say we're working like, oh, I'm what is a green card anyway? Is that the same as a working visa? Is a green card the same as work visa? Main difference between green card and visa is that green card is permanent residence permit. Contrast a visa short-term permit. Okay, let's say we are short-term permit. We're not green card. So that means we're gonna live and work there for only a short while. Okay, let's say no. Okay. Hey, Rich, we can run through the substantial presence test to see if you are considered a U.S. resident. Okay. How many days were you present in the U.S.? Let's say we stayed in the country with our relative, and then we moved into this town because we got a job or something. Okay, so let's say 105 days. Okay. How many, and how about the prior? How many days were you present in the US 2021? Wait, what is the previous question again? Damn it. How many days have you been? Like, I assume, when is tax season? April. So, I don't know. Okay, let's say we've been here less than a year. So I said 100 days in 2021. Wait, what was the previous question? Damn it. I need to rewind to see what the previous question was. How many days were you present in 2022? Okay. I said 100 days? Wait, 100 days. Wait, if this is tax season, can I go back? Okay. Okay, how do I load? Okay, I guess escape? Oh, geez, I think I messed up. 100 days. 100 days is... Oh, geez, 100 days. 2022. Under how many months is 100 days? So that's like more than 3 months, right? May, January, February, March, April. Ooh. So I... Oh. Okay, wait. Let's calculate something. Calculator. Okay, so January 31 plus February, which is it wasn't a leap year on 2022, so 2028 plus 31 again for March. 90 days. I said 105, right? So, what year would it be? What day would it be? So I had said 105 days. So it would be April 15th, I think. Oof. Okay, 2021. Let's say we just arrived in December. So let's say 15th. Okay. Now, this may seem like an ancient history, but how many days were you present in? Okay, let's say 0. Rich, based on information you told me, I don't think you're considered a U.S. resident for tax purposes. Damn it. I see. That means you're not a resident of the U.S. That means we're not eligible for tax. Rich, I think you're kind of cute, but I don't think I can do long distance right now. Maybe it's better we just go our separate ways. Only supports filers who are U.S. residents. Okay, I'm not sure. What happens if I say, well, I'm not? I think you're kind of cute, but... okay. Okay, let's do... Okay, do you have a green card? Let's say no. Okay, Rich runs through substantial. Okay, how many days are you present? Let's say like 3 months. So we said 90 days. Okay. Okay, what was the thing on the UK one? The UK one was how many would I be? Oh, I need like 183 days to be a resident, automatically a resident in UK. Doesn't matter how many ties I have, but like 183. Okay, let's just put 2022 is 90 days. Wait, when is tax filing? Tax. Okay, American tax filing deadline 2024. Oh, it's 15th of March. Okay, but we'll assume this is... So this 90 days, that would be at least for that filing tax year 2022. So we'll say 90. It's less than obviously April 15th, but you know, let's just say 90 days. So it'll be sometime in March, April. Okay. Prior, how many days were in 2021? Let's just 365. Let's say we moved there in 2020. Okay. How many days you were present in 20? Let's just say 15 days. Or like we arrived in December in 2020. Okay. Rich, based on information you told me, you are considered U.S. resident for tax purposes. Okay. Girl makes a weirdly nationalist first impression. Hey, you were just coming out of the store when you bumped into me, right? Is it a stationery store? I need to buy a pencil. Okay. Oh, Rich, do you like stationery? I have a little notebook. I write down everything in. Are you writing down my tax information? What are you, a Fed? Are you a glowy? You're gathering information about me? God damn it. What I did today, new things I learned, cute people. Well, anyway, it's like a second memory. Okay, here, these are for you. Do you really have these kind of erasers in America? This seems more like a Japanese thing to be obsessed over pencils and erasers. Whatever. What the heck do I have one like, but no one is here? Is there something wrong with chat? Okay. These are for you. This is a really fancy technical pencil, super cute eraser. I don't think I've ever put this much thought into choosing a writing instrument in life. I have kind of, because, you know, like drawing sometimes and writing and all that. Like, I think my favorite pen back when I was younger was Pilot pens. The issue with them is they're inky, but you know, like sometimes when you want to draw and you want to do stuff, they're nice to have. Yeah. There's a lot of writing supplies, and these are my favorites. I never know when I need good pencil. Yeah, I also have a mechanical pencil. I have one here. I haven't used the mechanical pencil in a long time because I don't really draw anymore. Maybe you want to write down your social security number or give someone your phone number. Thank you, Iris. It's exciting to move to a new town. I'd be happy to show you around. If you're not too busy, that is. No, it's tax season, so some people are. I love that. Okay, I need to get back to work. How about getting coffee tomorrow? 12:30. Okay, I'll meet you at the cafe. Okay. Wow, lucky. I can't believe I bumped into this super cute girl outside the stationery store. And on my first real day in town. Okay. Wait, did she say tax season? Dun dun dun. Almost April 18th. I haven't done my taxes. Now it's time. Now it's not the time to worry about it, but I'll have to deal with that soon. In case I've got the date with the cute girl to look forward to. At least I think it's a date. She wants to do your she wants to audit your taxes, boy, if you know what I mean. She wants to see how big your income is. I needed a good rest after unpacking all day yesterday. Now what? Iris and meet her at for coffee. Better get going. Okay. Is this actually drawing, or did they put it in 3D and render it? Is it a 3D rendering? Kind of looks like 3D rendering. It's cute. Hey Rich, over here. Iris is waving at me enthusiastically from the corner table. Her little notebook on the table. She really must take it everywhere. I got here a little early. I'm glad you came. That's later in the night, if you know what I mean. It's exciting meeting a new person in a new place, don't you think? Especially when you're single. Well, actually, Rich, filing singly or jointly on your... Oh my god, is this a... Imagine I said, no, I'm married. Okay, why are you going on date with... Oh wait, let's say we're married. I think it's... Okay. Okay, let's save it here. I'm married and filing jointly. Surviving spouse. I'm single but filing as the head of a household. Okay. She's trying to ask whether I'm single or not. It's a weird way to do, but I guess I'm not positioned to judge. Okay. I see I already have someone in your life. She looks away. Maybe I had the wrong idea, Rich. I'm looking for someone special, and I thought, well, maybe it's better if we go our separate ways. I think... What did it say in the beginning? That it's only for... What was it? It's only for... What's it called? Individual tax, income tax return. Okay. Singles without dependents. Multiple, okay. Multiple endings? What kind of multiple endings would there be? Okay. Better if we go our separate ways. Replay previous question. What if we're like single but filing his head as a household? Filing as qualified surviving spouse. Head of a household, as in... What does that mean? Whatever, let's just go single. That's great, you're single filer. And you're not married, are you? What if I said... If I said I'm filing separately, what does she say? Okay. Okay, that one. Nope, I'm not married. Yay, I'm single too, you know. You can give... But why you want to help me with my taxes? Why are you so obsessed with helping me with my taxes? Ari seems a bit flustered by her own sudden rush of enthusiasm. Not sure if it's my first choice of activity, but I could use all the help I could get when it comes to taxes. Man, I should have used the AI voice for her voice. Make it sound like Pippa or something. Single file, Rich. Do you have any dependents? Any what? Dependents are either a qualifying child or qualifying relative. For example, child, stepchild, brother, sister, or parent. Oh, I really know a lot about this stuff, don't you? Okay. Yes. Oh, you do? Oh, okay. Ah, damn it. Fine. No dependents. Jesus Christ. You don't have any if that's the thing, like you'd probably have to file different forms for that. Qualifying children relatives as dependents. You don't have... Yes. No, sorry. No dependents. Rich, you come without any strings attached then. I also doing my best to avoid any complicated situations. Birthday. Whatever. We'll give 1st of January 1988. January 8th. Sorry, January 1st, 1988. New Year's Day. You know what? Let's actually make it... Let's actually make it... wait, did it say April? You know what? Let's make it April 18... Sorry. January, February, March, April. So 04 and then 1988. So tax day is the... tax day is my birthday. What? 04/18, 1988. What? I'm not allowed to put that? Do I have to put like this? Ah, okay, there we go. 35, huh? I see. What if we got to know each other's financial situation a little bit better, Rich? I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no... For 22, what types of income did you have? There are lots of types, so maybe the easiest thing to do is just to look at what forms you have received. Oh my fucking god. I don't know what these forms are. I don't live in America. What? Well, so a form W-2 is issued by full or part-time employer? Oh, full part-time employer. It reports your income for the year, as well as amount of tax withheld from your paychecks. Okay, so I need a W-2. Okay. Receive one of these from any job where you're an official employee as opposed to freelance, gig work, or self-employment. Okay. Form 1099-G reports income you receive from unemployment compensation. Okay, no, it's definitely not that. Form SSA. I wonder if could I have is there any kind of unemployment compensation in the Philippines? Because I was when I came back, I was unemployed until it was May until August, something like that. Form SSA reports income you receive from Social Security benefits. I'm not old enough for that. When can you even... Here in Philippines, there is Social Security. I think it's SSS, but I guess here's Social. Okay, unemployment compensation, definitely not. So W2, Social Security. Okay, 1099, bank account, CD, or a few other cases. Oof, like. What are the interest rates in my bank? What, like 0.001%? Like barely. I don't think it's even $1 a year. It doesn't amount to $1 a year. To be fair, I don't keep that much money in my bank because sometimes you want to withdraw it out or whatever. But what the fuck? I mean, UK taxation's like that as well. CD or a few other cases. What's CD? Okay. In general, if you have any of these types of income, you'll receive an appropriate form. How do you know all this? I try my best. There's always more to learn. Okay. Is there none for self-employed? I guess W2. There's any other form. Okay. W2. Let's just say, let's make a simple W2. Of course, anyone can relate to anyone, but there's a certain chemistry exists when situations. Okay. Iris sure has a certain starry-eyed energy about her. Okay. I understand that feeling when you don't have a lot of pre-existing attachments in life. It can be easy and enjoyable. Try new things. Iris, you keep asking me about my financial situation. How about you? What do you do for work? I work at the library. I love being surrounded by books all day. I can learn so much. Okay. Like how yarn is made. What coral is. Okay. But not just facts, you know. Also what it's like to love a parent or to be lonely. Or how people who've never met can become close from a chance meeting. Are you hinting at something, lady? If only I met like... Too bad I don't meet anyone like this in real life. Jesus Christ, what the heck? She's desperate for my dick. I seems to realize she's waxing on a bit. I feel like most people learn these things naturally just by growing up and not by reading. Okay. He smiles happily. She really does seem to enjoy this thought. Why don't you come find me there sometime? I'm usually at a desk writing in my notebook when I'm not off in the stack someplace. Okay. Also nice and private most of the time. Okay, we're going to the library, I guess. Library, huh? Not necessarily the first place I go to hang out. Hang on though, I guess that's invitation to see each other again. Case bury me in books, baby. I guess you could say I'm an analog girl at heart. Oh, this is 2022. Like, no, this is after pandemic. Okay. Don't let your finances get too digital, do you, Rich? Did you sell, trade, gift, or receive any cryptocurrency? I guess I don't mind too much. You just own some, though. Yes, lol, GM friends, wag me. What? Did I do what? Well, see, you don't know what cryptocurrency is. This probably doesn't apply to you. Tell me if you receive any crypto either for free as payment from an airdrop, through mining, or through staking. Cryptocurrency. Would that, if buy and sell, would any profits from that be under capital gain? I don't think so. What would that be under? What is profit income from selling stocks or stuff come from? I don't know. Well, obviously cryptocurrency would be under something else. Okay, let's just say no. Also, let me know if you sold any crypto for fiat currency. A fiat currency, where you don't know, it's like dollar or pounds or whatever. Exchange crypto / token, or if you gifted crypto to another person. You don't let your finances get too digital, do you, Rich? Did you sell, trade, blah, blah, blah? No, I did not. Oh, you seem pretty savvy, Rich. I'm glad you aren't taken by a pyramid scheme like that. Depending on what you want to do with cryptocurrency, sometimes it would be good to have some, especially... But I guess it depends on what you want to do with it. If you just want to use it to trade to earn money or whatever, then maybe not. But if you just need it to like, I think one thing a lot of people, I don't know if they do this anymore, but they would buy and sell stuff to people in China using cryptocurrency, because obviously sometimes they can't really buy or sell stuff, so they would trade in cryptocurrency. And well, what do a lot of people do? They get stuff in cryptocurrency, like if they can't get funds a certain way, and then they exchange it for fiat currency. Rich, it's really nice to talk with you. I have to get feeling about the two of us. Okay, will you give me your phone number? I'm not sure why. Well, what if I want to call you? Just whatever, on Facebook. Or what if the IRS needs your contact information? I need to provide it to them because you've become mysteriously unreachable. Well, okay. Do I actually have to give you my phone number? You know what? I'll give you a okay. I'll give you this shipping cart number. Or you know what? Can I actually just put 6666? You know what? Whatever. I'll give the telephone number for my shipping cart. Okay, where was it? Just a sec. Damn it, do I have to actually sign in? I don't want to sign in. Just give me the addresses. Oh, can I? Okay, whatever. Let's just put 666, 666, 6666. Hopefully she's not like, that's a weird number. Puts her number into my phone. She's one of those people who uses her forefinger instead of her thumbs to type on a phone. I'm not sure I do that. I think I do use my forefinger to type on a phone. Which will give me your email too. I mean, I'd use my thumb if it was the old analog phone, but not on tap phone. Give your email too. Okay, find me at your mom's house. Iris is exceptionally odd conversationalist. Her earnest enthusiasm is charming, despite the fact that she has an acute interest in my tax status. After drinking our coffee, the date with Iris concludes smoothly. Gotta run. I'll see you tomorrow, right? Come by the library and find me. The bizarre date. Up and at 'em. Today's another lovely day. Do you even have a job? The fact that I still haven't started my tax this year is nibbling at the back of my mind a little. The sun is shining and I'm meeting Iris at the library. Let's figure out where that is. We said we'd meet her at the library, so let's go to the library. What happens if I go to the cafe? Plenty of time, but I guess it's stop by. Maybe that would be better. Go straight to the library. Okay, let's save it first. Stop by cafe and get something to drink. At cafe chain. A bit more personal. Start feel homey. Hi, welcome to Cafe de Duchamps. Get you tea, pinky up. Okay. Yeah, can I get a tea? Yep, get started for you. There's a note on one of the order slips with the name of a drink I've never seen. Okay, let's ask about it. Okay, what is Vente Chago Maguchi? I can't have notes written there. Okay. Where did you see that? Oh, haha, I see. It's on the receipt there. Not a real menu item. It's this pink-haired girl who orders the craziest thing I've ever seen. Seen a human drink. Made up 9 for it, so we don't have to write all the ingredients down as a custom order. What's in it? Pink hair, huh? That sounds familiar. Got everything. It's got half dozen espresso shots. God damn, no wonder why she acts like that. She's high on caffeine. Milk, condensed milk. Ooh, is condensed milk kind of sweet? Every nut milk, matcha powder, boba pearls, protein powder. You even sell protein powder in a friggin' cafe. Turmeric, this new AG mushroom powder. I didn't even get started on the flavor shots. Like 2,200 calories. Does that lady only drink that and she doesn't actually eat any food? Refund. What is a refund? Here you go. Thank you. I bet we're gonna be late. Libraries are like memorials. Okay. There's an air of solemnity over an otherwise cozy space. Now, to figure out where Iris is. Ellipses. There's a library assistant desk toward the front with a foamy pink notebook on it. It really is recognizable. Don't see Iris though. Maybe she's off in the stack shelving books or something. Her notebook is sitting there temporarily. Should I peek at it? No. But maybe just a little peek? No. What if I'm interested in starting my own diary someday? Wouldn't it be useful to know what a well-organized looks like? What do you mean? I don't... Why? Why do I want to look in it? Fine, let's look into it. It's a quick look is all. What's the harm? What the heck? Personal details, income, credits, and deductions. Wow, this is a shockingly literal translation of Iris Day activities in exhaustive detail. Had orange juice, had English muffin. Okay. Ran out of pattern tape. Walking sidewalk past two inhabitants of the town. What? You can see notes where she has gone back and annotated past events with updates and cross-references. Like notebook is her outsourced memory. Does she have like amnesia, like temporary amnesia or something? She has to write down everything. Wow, this part is about me. It's pretty much everything that we talked about since we met. Rich, Isha, last name Cafe. Cafe's not my last name. Find me at your mom's house. Hey, my last name's not Cafe. It was Jammer. Hang on a second. Does Iris think I have Cafe as a last name? That's definitely not right. Okay, damn. That's what I do in my phone contacts when I can't remember someone's name. Maybe I didn't make as memorable impression as I thought. Well, you didn't say your... Wait, no, I think you did say your name. I don't know. I want her to have an incorrect information about me, especially since it looks like she rereads these pages with some regularity. Iris gave me the exact technical pencil and eraser she uses. I can mimic her writing perfectly. Sure. Okay. It's a Jammer, right? Can I put anything else? I'll fix. Should I keep looking at this or close it? Close the notebook. She might spot us doing it. There's still no sign of Iris. Hey Rich, sorry I got stuck doing some work in the library archive room today. I'll make it up with you. Okay, sounds like I won't get to see her today after all. Maybe if I went earlier, I would have seen her. Tax day. What is it actually already tax day? Hey Rich, I'm sorry I miss you. Do you want to meet me at the cafe? I've been looking forward to seeing you again, or you got to run an errand. The library branch office. You could keep me company. Well, let's go to the office. Oh, let's go to her office. Yeah, why not? Hey Rich, over here. I thought you said you worked at the... Oh wait, no. She said she hangs out at the library. The library branch's office is pretty stereotypical office. The rows of desks and cubicles, the water cooler, copying machine. It's also picture perfect. Almost feels like set dressing. Not entirely sure why this dry stereotypical office building makes Iris uncomfortable, but I'm happy to tag along if it means I can spend more time with her. Oh, copy machine isn't working. Rich, can you help me fix this? Way to put me on the spot, Iris. Am I gonna get paid for this? There are a few worse things I can imagine. Okay. Print copy. Okay, Rich. This is no problem. You can troubleshoot photocopier. Wow, Rich, you really are really technical. What's wrong? Don't stop now. Type a command. Print. Oh, geez, what the heck is this? Appears to be eternal access to photocopier. What am I supposed to do? Hack the machine? So you can hack the machine, right? It should be pretty simple. My God, I want to embarrass myself in front of Iris. I don't know what I'm doing. I just can't sit here. I've got to type something in here. Run code. What the? Module. Wait, I'm just tapping in buttons. Shit, I'm on fire. What? I'm just typing in. I'm just. Okay, I'm gonna press Q Q Q Q Q Q Q Q Q. What the heck? I'm not doing any of this. It's just typed randomly. I am the one, Iris. Witness me. I've got it. That's it. Once I hit confirm as fixed. Can't believe this worked. I thought I was gonna get a proper mini game or something. Wow, Rich, I'm impressed. You're such a big nerd. I wonder if that code was actually real. But how you're supposed to type that code into a friggin' copier? Was it connected to a computer? Was there a little keyboard there? What the fuck? Having to elevate save consciousness. Yeah, whose consciousness? I wasn't typing that shit in. Need is a document to test with. I know, Rich. Just use your W2 form. Have more than one W2 or just one. Form what now? W2 form that actually full or part-time employer. It reports the employee's income for the year. What if I'm like self-employed? I think it's not for self-employed. Yeah. I just have one. Okay, great. Grab it and slide into the copier feed. Hang on, I gotta get my W2. All right, I've got them now. Upload your W2. What? No, I don't actually have a W2. I don't actually have a W2. No! How do I go back? I didn't actually know. Okay, I guess I have to close the game. I have to close the game and come back in. Jesus Christ. Did I save it? Did I save? When was the last time I saved it? At least I could show you the intro. Go on dates. Wow, that's amazing. You're so funny. See you tomorrow. To know something about is really personal. Like social security number. Oh my god. Your federal taxes. Bingo Bob. Without dependents. Singles without dependents, okay. Okay, continue. Oh, great! Why did it start from here? Can I just do a random file? God damn it, I don't have a W2. Shit! What happens if I just upload a random file? Oh, it has to be PDF. Shit. Do I even have a PDF file? Okay, whatever. Let's find a random W2 file. Do I actually have to fill this in? Okay, whatever. Let's download it and God damn it. Why did I have to pick that? I didn't know what it was gonna do. Great, now I got W copy. Let's make sure everything is clear. Come over here, Rich, so I can look over these prints. Okay, so you can stand closer. I just downloaded a random W2 folder from online. Sorry, file. I didn't fill up any of the thing. I should have scanned it first. Maybe it went to a random site. Okay. I didn't fill in any of the details. Ice leans up to me. She's very close. I can notice that she smells nice. That's better now. Your total taxable income 22 as reported on this W2. Taxable income. Oh, sorry. Let me put it down. And okay. You've been working hard, Rich. Next up, let's make sure you've withheld tax income. That should be box 2 of your, okay. Withheld. Okay. Alright, that seems clear. In addition to that, how much social security tax was withheld from your income? Social security. Damn it, I didn't check that. Wait just a sec. Okay. Just a sec. Just a sec. Okay. Oh, hopefully you can't see this. Okay, you guys can't. Okay. 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 Got it. Let's promise not to withhold anything from each other. Okay. Okay. Am I actually streaming? No one's watching. Even my regular viewers. Am I actually streaming? It shows I'm streaming. I got 2 views. Rich, is there a code listed in box 12 of this W2? You might have more than one. Is there a code listed in box? Okay, I actually gotta look. What is in box 12? Okay. Box 12 is the instructions for box 12. Check is in box 12. Where's the instructions for box 12? Okay, box 12. The following list explains the codes shown in box 12. You may need this information to complete your tax return. Elective deferrals? I don't know what that is. And designated Roth contributions. I don't know what those are. They're all plans and generally limited to total of 23,000. 16,000 if you only have simple plans. 26,000 for section 4 or 3B plans if you qualify for 15-year rule. Explained in Pub 571. Referrals under code G are limited to $23,000. Deferrals under Code H are limited to 7,000. You know what? Let's put this here so that you guys can read it. Okay. Okay, so that you guys can read it. Okay, deferrals under Code H limited to. However, if you were at least 50 in 2024, your employer may have allowed additional deferral for section blah blah blah. This additional deferral amount is not subject to overall limit on elective deferrals. For Code G, limit on elective deferrals may be higher for the last 3 years before you reach retirement age. Contact your plan. I don't know any of these are. So this, where's box 12? Here's box 12. I have no idea. Social Security. Okay, whatever. Let's put it back to the game. Okay. No. I have no idea what any of those are. Now, did you have more forms, W2? Or was that the last one? No, that's it. Would you even need more than one form? You have any household employee wages for 2020 that weren't reported in W2? Household employee. What is a household employee wage? Household employee wage. Not reported on forms W2. Okay. Household employee. Okay, let's put here. A household employee is an individual who is paid to provide a service within their employer's residence. Employers choose what kinds of work a household employee is responsible for and the manner in which that work is expected to be completed. Some examples of household employees or household workers include babysitters, nannies, and gardeners. Independent contractors such as repairmen, carpenters, and plumbers are not considered household employees. Okay. Then I guess no. Okay, let's ask what? Most employees are paid to provide service for their employer's residence, for example. Huh? Oh, I should have just did that. Household employer more than 1,900 employer is required to withhold Social Security and Medicare taxes and issue employer a W-2. Ah, okay. Is that why she was asking you have more than one W-2? Okay. Employees paid less than employers not required to issue W-2, but the earnings still must be reported. Is that per year? I guess that's per year. That's why I want to ask about it separately, Rich. No. I know there are a few other sources of income some people have. How about you, Rich? As long as we're here, should make copies of all your forms. Have any income from interests? Barely anything, but I'm just gonna say no. Receive any Social Security benefits? No. Huh? Let's ask, huh? Receive Social Security benefits. U.S. Social Security Administration will have issued a form. Okay. You don't have one of these forms? Okay, no. Where can you get, besides just being old, is there any other way you could get Social Security benefits? If you're unemployed or something? Or or you're injured or you have a disability or what? I have no idea. I'm not American. Thing rich. If I did you receive any unemployment compensation? No, I did not. You all done. Ice leans on your shoulder. It's getting later in the day and the light in the office is starting to dim. You're at the office. Shouldn't you be doing work things? Jesus Christ. Coming with me today. I don't really like being in places like this, but with you I feel a bit better. I wonder what bad memories Iris had of the mundane corporate building is so off-putting. Have you worked in office before? Did something happen? No, I didn't work in one. Well, I just spent a lot of time in one. What? Is your dad or something? You have to spend time at the office with him? Hey, promise me something. Don't use corporate tax software, okay? Oh, I'm accountant. I use well I haven't used it for tax stuff, but I have used tax software. Well, it's not for tax. Okay, no, I've used accounting software, but not accounting software, not tax software. Okay, guess I won't this year because Iris said she'd help me out, and those kinds of software do always try to nickel and dime you to death. Somehow Iris is making it sound more serious than I thought. Than that, so okay. Okay, I promise. Good. Sigh. It's nice being here like this with you, Rich, with no one else around. And I'm glad that I was able to help you with your tax forms a bit. Where should I go? Well, let's go to the cafe again. Is she even there? It auto-saves. So what's the point of saving? Because like before I saved, but then like I quit and came back in, and it went to that thing where I had to upload the goddamn file. Yeah, let's go to the cafe. Yo, I can get you. Whatever, let's get some more tea. Yeah, let's get her that thing. I'll get her this thing. Is there any other girl with pink hair around here? Seems like there's only 3 people in this town. She's on time to the minute. In fact, I was here early. Where do I live? What street address? What exactly are you asking? You want to come to my house and Netflix and chill? Primary residence. You know, if the IRS or something wanted to send an official document, where would they send it? My address is... Where's the address I put on my Nintendo Switch? But you know what? I'm gonna look up the address for my shipping cart. Give you... Whoever's watching this, you could look at my... What the fuck? Why doesn't it want me to do sign in? Ah. Not working for some reason. Oh, quit it. I'll just access it from my phone. Okay. So this is my shipping cart address. It's the PO box. And a lot of other people also own this PO box. Okay. What is the state code for Oregon? OR, I guess? Mm, Okay. That is the street address. It's a PO box. And you got me the blah blah blah. Wow, I didn't think anyone else knew about it. It's my favorite drink. Glad you could come meet me here, Rich. I hope you don't mind me asking, but you fully independent or does someone else claim you as a dependent on their tax return? Used to. I used to be claimed as a dependent, but now not anymore. Okay, let's do that. Those are good questions, Rich. It depends on someone who relies on another person for support such as housing, food, clothing. I guess I am a dependent because this is not my house. Oh, if I've been claimed on someone else's as a dependent. No, okay, no, I'm not claimed as a dependent on someone else. No. Is this why she doesn't have a date? Because people or a boyfriend because she keeps asking them and they're like, "Are you a Fed? What's going on? What do you do for a living?" What? I mean, if we're on a date, you'd ask that, so I'm not gonna ask you what. Yay. Leans in, peering at me intently. Yeah, very nice face, Rich. Thanks. Could look at you for hours. If only someone told me that. How's your vision, Rich? Were you legally blind? Nope. Let me ask, what? Are you not sure what legally blind means? Well, I guess I'm asking if you cannot see better than 20/200 in your better eye with glass or contact lenses, or you feel the vision is not more than 20 degrees. Nope, I was not legally blind. How would I play this game? Okay, I mean, legally blind is different from actually blind, so you could probably still play this game but still be legally blind. Someone say eyes are windows to the soul, so I've been trying to see if it's true. I still like that feeling, Rich. It's okay, I think it's personal. Okay, you go first. What's your social security number? What? Are you trying to steal my information? A social security number is a unique identifier, blah. Understand it's personal, just... What the fuck? You know what? I'm just gonna put in a random number. It's the same as my telephone number. Is that not correct? Can I just put in random numbers then? Okay, there. I just put in a random social security number because obviously I don't live in America. Why would I have a social security number? Man, like, if you're actually a streamer, if you actually live in America and you stream this game, like a lot of your information would be out or something if you actually put in the real info. Hang on, Iris. I need to tell you a secret too. Secret? He stares directly at me. No more like Terumi. Her demeanor has changed completely. She looks haunted. Never get involved with TurboTax, Rich. They're dangerous. Oh, whoever made this game really hates like tax accountants for some reason. Were they a tax accountant as well? I have no idea. I never did. I mean, I studied UK taxation, but I never worked as a tax accountant. And where I used to live, Dubai didn't even have any taxes until 2018 when it got VAT, value added tax. But then I left that year. It came to Philippines. Why are they very dangerous? As quick as it came, the moment is gone. Iris tips her head and back as usual, bubbly self. Don't mind me, Rich. She really hates tax accountants, eh? Simpler secret. How about... I've never been on an airplane before. Okay. You know, like living in Dubai is very hard to meet some... I don't think I ever met someone in Dubai who's never been on an airplane. Because obviously, because majority of people there and I've met would have, you know, they're expats. So they would have gotten on an airplane somehow or even on vacation. But here in the Philippines, like, ooh, a lot of people never been on a plane. Understand, she's on the run or something. I know she said she wanted to share secrets, but I feel like we're only scratching the surface here. Really easy to talk to you, Rich. I'm glad we can be honest with each other. Barely know you. Why are you friggin'... Let's go out again. Why don't you come see me at the library sometime? There's something I want to do for you. Okay, let's go to the library. I promise I'll be there this time. Okay, I won't go to the cafe. Oh, he really likes me. I'll come to the cafe. Oh, sorry, I won't go to the cafe first. I'll just go straight to you. What happens if I go to her, you know, office? Hi, Aris. Oh, hello, Rich. Hello. Well, we're secluded behind bookshelves. It's very warm in the library. Qualify for any tax credits? Oh, well, sure, Iris. I'd love to do tax credits with you. Hey, Rich, I'll guide you through. Plus, I get to learn more about you as we go. You're pretty smart, Rich. Okay, educational background. I think intellectual capability is really important in I mean friendship. Which, were you a student enrolled at Qualified Education Institute 2022? At a student enrolled at a Qualified Education Institution. I'd say no. Whatever, let's see what she asks. Any accredited public, non-profit, or private college, university, vocational school, or post-secondary institution. Oh, if you're studying, does that mean you get the tax credit? No, I was not. I'd not be eligible for educating credits, but there could be another option. First off, did you have non-taxable combat pay for 2022? What? Combat pay. Non-taxable combat pay is military pay that you receive while you were deployed to a combat zone. Okay. This pay is not taxable and excluded in your taxable income. This pay is typically reported coming Q code. Okay. I was not in the military. Okay, second question. Was your main home in the United States for 50% or more of 2022? Which your main home's principal residence is home where you live most of the time. Also the address you use to receive mail and file your tax returns. I'd say no. Let's say main home is Philippines. Oh, I see. You're quite international mystery, aren't you? Unfortunately, that will mean you don't qualify for earned income tax credit. Based on the fact that your income comes from simple sources, Rich, I'd say you can take the standard deduction. In your case, that's $12,950. Okay. Simple is good, you know. You check on a few other things in case you're eligible to make some adjustments to your income. is do your best. That's my motto. I know you said your occupation is accountant, right, Rich? But to check, just in case, are you a qualified educator at a qualified school? Let's ask her what define qualified. Who was a kindergarten through 12 teacher, instructor, counselor, da 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 da. Okay, a school that provides primary educational, da da da. Okay, no, this does not include college. Did you say college? Good to check. Still, Rich, you'll be student. I'll be your student sometime. Let's see. Did you make any contribution to traditional IRA? Remember, Rich, don't include Roth IRA contributions here. What is traditional IRA? Contributions you make are tax deferred. You pay tax when the money comes back out of the account, not when you put it in. In contrast, Roth IRAs are funded with after-tax money and the distribution of future tax. Ah, okay, I understand. In Philippines, what would be the equivalent be? What would the Philippine equivalent be? I guess PHIC? What is PHIC? HIC. Oh, that's like, oh, Philippine Health Insurance Corporation. HDMF. What's HDMF? DMF. Oh. Oh, Pag-ibig. Okay. I guess that might be similar. I don't know. Or are they like super in wait, is super social security? Australia has super, which is, I forgot what's super. Is super the same as social security? I don't remember. No. You make any interest payments on qualified student loans? No. It can be such heavy burden. Rich, I got educated in a lab. I mean, I didn't go to college. I don't know what it's like, but it's lucky you get me debt free. I think just about covers adjustments to your income for 2022. We're organized with our information if you don't think so. Speaking of which, you can estimate tax payments during 2022. Estimate tax payments. What does that mean? Estimate taxes, quarterly payments of taxes for the year based on the filer's reported income for the period. I should really go message Kirsha about this. Like, you should go play Tax Heaven 3000. Generally, the folks required to pay quarterly taxes are small business owners, freelancers, and independent contractors. Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Did you make any estimate? I didn't. I see. What about any amount from your 2020 tax return that you chose to apply to this year's filing? So you're so thoughtful. I wonder if you did anything. Yeah, you would need to look at around 2021 tax return. If you had a tax refund last year, but you chose not to receive all of the money, and the balance is waiting to be applied to your return this year. Ah, okay. So, okay, forward. Okay. See, what about any amount from return? You chose to apply this year's filing. Okay, let's just say no. Hey, Rich, you know, we just want to talk to you about tax credits. I get nervous. I just default to things that are familiar. Arskeep takes a deep breath. I get the feeling that she hadn't quite planned out what to say next. Why don't we meet in my room next time? Dun dun dun. She sure loves to talk about taxes. Can I go to the cafe first? Can we go meet her in the... Okay, finally someone else. What's wrong? You look like you've been through the ringer. Have you filed your taxes yet this year? Okay, well, trust me on this. If you're going to use tax prep service, don't use TurboTax. Whoever made this game really hates TurboTax. Why? They're just tax filing software, right? What happened to you? Listen to me, those guys seem nice, but there's something off about them. Fishy for industry to build itself up, specifically around gating a public branch of the government. Okay, they're deliberately establishing themselves as a bottleneck. You ask me, that's a crazy amount of leverage, and not just to force us ordinary folks to pay for their services. They say whoever controls the money controls the world. That means big tax software has the government's primary revenue stream by the balls. Super villain stuff right there. Okay, I'm calm. I shouldn't even be talking about this. I'd to hold you from getting your coffee. All good. I'm going to order my drink now, though. Go for it. Thanks for letting me vent a little. I moved for some single origin bean juice. What? Welcome cafe. Whatever. Let's go for tea. Can I not get the what's her name's drink? I'm Iris. What? Here you go. Okay, let's go. Let's get our dick wet. Can we not go to the library and see if she's there? Odai branch, a generic office building. Let's go to her office and let's see if she, let's look at it while she's not there. Hey, what? History of the IRS? Hey, you there. Do you work here? Oh, it's TurboTax, man? The heck is this? He's got all the hallmarks of predatory finance guy. Joint uses paper filing requests. Can't you move on this quicker? I'm a busy guy here. Hey, calm down. Of course you don't. You from around here? Nah. Your taxes yet? All they do is talk about taxes in this fucking game. It's like you play the Pokemon game. All they talk about is Pokemon. Here, it's all you do is talk about friggin' taxes. I just find myself being able to help out someone new. It just so happens I represent a certain organization that could help you there. Can you tell me over a cup of coffee? This guy's definitely a narc. And with a moniker like Turbo, I can imagine an organization he represents. I'm good, thanks. I appreciate the offer. Call that taxes are complicated, you know. I'm sure I don't have to tell you that. As a person confronts taxes with fear, uncertainty, and doubt, recommend that you consider my services. I actually feel quite confident in my taxes. Just happens got a friend who's helping me out, or ellipses. Wait, a friend? She's helping you with your taxes? Highly unusual, you know. Do your friends often help you with your taxes? Well, maybe, but you just moved here. I've even known her that long, have you? Oh, whoa, slow down here. I think you got the wrong. Tell me, what's her name? What's her color is her hair? Tell me. Holy shit, he's insane. Is this usual for turbo? Yo-hoo, excuse me. What do you... Excuse me. Can I help you? Kind of in the middle of something. I guess this is why she doesn't like coming to the office because of TurboTax, man. Are these interlibrary loan slips? They are. Spent a lot of time using the library. The wrong ellipses. Thank you. He stalks off. Deeply weird about that guy. Thank you. You know who he works for, right? Heard a lot of bad things about that one. Phew, what a reprieve. Getting out of here before he comes back. Okay, let's go to the library. Oh, I guess I just go there to edit her notebook. No need. Let's just go to her house. Let's get the deed done and file our taxes, if you know what I mean. House is quiet street. Feel that she well loves space from the corner chairs. Ours looks lovely in the warm sunset. Streaming through the window. Hi, Rich. Glances away bashfully before looking back at me. I'm so happy you came. Looking forward to this moment for so long. But it's just been 4 days. Sure if... Oh, never mind. Rich, there's something I need to tell you. I want to file your taxes. To get your own tax return. Wanted to do something for you. And taxes are only things I feel confident about. So we could go over your federal fine together and review before sent to the IRS. You what? I never realized. Didn't expect you to notice. Taxes are a bit of a specialty of mine. Why didn't you... I guess she doesn't want to become a CPA or something. You remember the day we met, Rich? You look so clueless. It was very cute. Is this contact information correct? At your mom's house. Yeah, okay. Confirm. Can anyone else claim Rich as a dependent? No. Rich's birthday, okay. Rich blind? No. Occupation accountant. Social security number, yeah. Oh, I wasn't read. No, I read the last one she said. Yeah, see there? Remember we met blah blah blah. I think you're pretty well. I bet you thought I was being extra nosy at first. Okay. Taxable income. Okay. Federal tax withheld. Social security tax withheld. Additional information. Remove. Yeah, you know, I still can't believe you got photocopier to work the way you did. Is W2 info all correct? Okay. Confirm. Household wages. 0. Any of the following codes appear in the box? No. Note D, E, F, G, H, blah blah blah, or EE. Appear in box will have any of the W2 forms. Rich may be eligible for additional tax credits that are not being checked for. Okay. Income summary. W2. Okay. What's the amount I put? Yeah, no, that's correct. Okay. Did Rich receive any? No. Wait, what is saying it? Okay, you didn't have any income interest? No. You receive any? No, I did not. No. Rich total contribution to their traditional IRA, 0. Or by employer-sponsored retirement account? I believe you didn't make any contribution to traditional, correct? Okay, I did. Should I actually mark this? Confirm. Student status. Was rich student enrolled at an... Okay, wait. You're not a student. Do I have that right? No, yeah. Okay. To double check, Rich, your main home was not in the US for 50% of the year. Yeah. No. Earned income tax amount. Okay. Okay. Rich was qualified educational. No. Qualified educator. Yeah. Okay. And to confirm, Rich, you didn't make any interest payment on qualified student loan. No. Know much about you, Rich. I'm so glad we've been able to open up to each other. From the moment we met, I started to keep notes about your finances. I just knew we were meant to be together, filing out this return. And guess what, Rich? It looks like you overpaid federal income taxes. Oh, I did? Overpaid federal income taxes. By how much? So I get a tax return. You'll get tax refunds of 5... Wait, that was the withdrawn thing, right? Can you show me the calculation? How much would you like to get refunded to you? Yeah, let's just get some, not all of it. Let's go half, like 250. Okay. And I guess the remainder will be carried forward to next year. Oh, Rich, I should have known you'd be planning for the future. That means the rest of your refund, which is you put toward your 2023 tax payment. Is that what you want? Yes. Okay, let's set up a direct deposit for your return, Rich. It's the fastest, easy way to get that money. A direct deposit. Savings. Okay, what's your account number? These random numbers. Maybe we share a bank account one day. You're a little too forward, lady. What about routing number? What is that? 9-digit routing number during found signing into your bank account line, calling your bank, or just Googling it. It also appears on the bottom of your checks and usually on the account statements. I don't even think I have a routing number in for my own account here in Dubai or Philippines or in Dubai. It said 9 digits. I wrote that all down in my little book, Rich. I've always cherished these pages that I've had with you. Please look over these final few pages. Are you ready to go all the way? Yeah. Okay. Refund overview. Standard deduction. How many tax payments already made in 2022? Can I look at the calculation? Why did you think I overpaid? Amount of refund. Savings. One thing left to do, Rich, and your 22 federal tax return will be complete. So you print your return, make sure to sign a physical copy, then it will be complete and ready to send. Ready to sign my return. This summon feels like a big step. I can feel it in my chest. Only been a few days, have so much. No, this girl, I can tell there's so much. Download tax returns. Are you nervous, Rich? Okay, this is my first time. Complete a tax return with someone too. Don't worry. Do it together at whatever pace you're comfortable with. Ready? You want to become my dependent, lady? Because you're asking if I was single before. Maybe next year. We can't do it. I can't play this game again next year because I'll be married to you. Well, okay, actually, I can actually download the tax return. What the fuck? You need to print this on your own and then put it in the mail. Okay. Wait, I didn't even do this. Whatever. Okay, wait. Let's actually look at the thing that we printed out. That we got from the thing. What the fuck is this? Just a sec. Let me show it. Okay, here's the friggin' tax return that we got. Okay, your tax return is not complete. To finalize your tax return, you must sign and date the designate area on page 2 of your physically printed Form 1040. File your printed and signed return, insert it into your envelope, and mail it with appropriate postage no later than 18 April. Because you live in Oregon and not including payment, you should mail your return to Department Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Ogden, blah blah blah. Remember, this is only your federal return. You may also need to file one or more state tax returns depending on where you lived in 2022. Love and taxes forever, my heart. Tax form glossary. Define the nature of your return. This PDF will contain one or more of the following. This is the main IRS tax form. Reports your income, taxes you paid, amount of refund. Schedule 1. This tax form reports additional income and adjustments to income such as employment, blah blah blah. Tax form education. Tax form represent IRS tax form. Okay, let's look. Okay, single. Of course, single. First name, middle initial, Rich Jammer. Social security number. Rent return, spouses, last name. What? Okay. Home address. Okay. Resident election campaign. Check here if you or your spouse is filing jointly. Okay. Digital assets. Okay, that is probably the cryptocurrency you're talking about. Standard deduction. Someone can claim you as a dependent, your spouse as a dependent. Okay. Age, blindness, born, dependents. Okay, income, total amount of income, W2. Okay, that's the one we had. Household employee wages, yeah, we didn't have that. Tip income not reported. Medicaid, okay. Taxable dependent care, huh? Employer provided adoption benefits. Wages from form blah blah blah. Line 6. Other earned income. Non-taxable combat pay. She asked about that. Add lines 1 through so add up all of this for this. Tax exempt interest. The qualified dividends. What if I had dividends? Taxable interest, taxable amount, blah blah blah. You elect to use the lump sum election method. Check here. Instructions. Capital gains attached, blah blah blah. Oh, this doesn't even include capital gains. Other income. Add lines. So add all of these lines with this. Total income. Just into income schedule. Subtract line 10. Okay, this. Standard deduction, itemized deductions. What? Schedule A? What? What is this? Why is it 12,000? Schedule A. What? What is this amount? When did I... What? When did I... I don't understand. Why is it 12,000 here? Is your adjusted gross in... Oh, wait. Adjusted gross income. Standard deduction, itemized deductions. What? Okay. Add lines 12. I don't understand. Why is this 12,000? Okay, whatever. Tax and credits. Child tax credit, blah 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 blah. Okay. Can you guys not see my mouse? There's no one here to tell me whether they can see the mouse or not. Okay. Federal income tax withheld forms W2, blah blah blah. Okay, add lines, total total payment. Amount you want refunded to you. Okay. Huh? Why? I don't understand why. Why is all of my withheld? Why do I get all of it? Is it because, okay, let me look up the US tax rate. Okay. Federal tax rate 2022. Okay. So this is probably why. Because my reported income was 10,700, right? That's from my W2. So, because, wait, it's 10%. It says 10%. Single filers. What? You pay 10% for that? I'm gonna show you the tax thing for UK and I guess Philippines as well, and I'm gonna show you like what the fuck. Wait, no, it's over here. Okay, I'm gonna show you the UK tax rate. Like what the fuck? Why is American one like that? Okay, where is it? Is it really 10%? Like to this? What the fuck? Okay. Okay, because I'll show you what it is in UK. Normal tax rate. Wait a tick. What? Okay, so in UK, see, look. Starting rate of 0% applies to taxable savings income where falls within the first taxable income. Okay. So that's the basic rate. It's 20%. Damn. Okay, it's higher in the UK. But then you have personal allowance of 12,000. So then your taxable income would be reduced by 12,000 like that. Okay. Okay, what is does US have does US have personal allowance? US federal personal income. Okay. Oh. Okay. 2020. Exemption amount is for married? Huh? I don't know why all of our withheld tax is given back to us as a tax refund. I don't understand. Okay, so it's 10% from that amount. Okay, so let me calculate 10% of this. Okay. Okay. 7.76 times 10%. Huh? Oh, yes. $1,000. Okay, I don't understand why we get a tax refund. To be fair, I never, what do you call it? I didn't study US taxation, so I don't know why we're getting the full withheld tax as a refund. What? That's the thing. I wish they'd show like what tax bracket I'm in. I assume we're in the 10% because see, So up to 10,000 to 75, it would be 10%, and then above that would be 12%. According to this, well, I don't know. I don't know why we're getting a tax refund. Only an American CPA or something would tell me. Okay. Let's go back to the friggin' game. Make a copy. Okay. So damn, the UK tax is way higher. 20%. A note for you that lists the correct IRS mailing address. Don't forget to sign. It's IRS hand warm against mine. My tax return is complete and ready to go, but she makes no move to stop holding hands. Iris pauses. She seems to be choosing her next words carefully. Rich, I guess your taxes are all done, but they want to see you again. What are you gonna do next? Are you gonna apply for my passport next or something? When I got to renew my passport? What? We only know each other for 4 days. You're already in love with me? Jesus Christ. I feel the same. No, I don't feel the same way. Fucking honest, I couldn't be falling for you. Maybe from the first. Maybe if I met like a lady like this in real life, I'd be saying the same thing. But I don't know. What the fuck? Outside the stationery store. Really? I'm so glad. I know that I have a tendency to focus on taxes to the exclusion of everything else. But first, I just wanted to spend time with you. But then maybe I continued because I was overwhelmed and I retreated into something practical that I knew. I want you to be in my life in the future. Maybe we'll even file a joint return one day. That's what I was joking earlier. Spring, when tax preparation lightly turns what? Like, thank you for going too fast, game. I didn't even read it. Wonder how she came to specialize in income tax. Got to know, but I only learned a little about her past. Sitting in hand to hand, happy to be with her. Okay. Love and taxes forever. Concept and game design. Who the heck is MSCHF? Did you earn any income? Vitamin Chan. Okay. Did you earn any income from this game? You probably had to file it in your tax return. What the heck? Nobody showed up. Not even my regular viewers. No, someone did show up and gave a like. Okay, so I'm gonna give a brief rundown of taxation like I learned for UK tax. Okay. Yeah, here are the taxes. You got income tax, corporation tax, chargeable gains, and inheritance tax. I think US also has, what do you call it? Is VAT not included here? US, it has land tax or something? I don't know. Value added tax, employability technology. Okay, so this I already showed the tax rate for US. So this is the thing for UK. This is the basic tax rate at 20%. And this is the dividend higher tax rate, 40%. Additional tax rate 45%. What was it in US? US. Let 10%. Oh, and above that's 24%. Look at that. The thing is, in US, the taxes are lower if you're on the lower bracket, but if you do make a lot of money, it's 24%. So, you know. But here, like, oh damn, it's like already 20%. Damn it, like, even if you're not making that much. And it's 0% for taxable savings up to for the first 5,000. So if you have, you know, savings income, it'll be 0% at 5,000. Okay, nil rate band. Basic tax pay rate. Higher tax rate pay. 1,500. Okay, huh? I don't remember what these mean. Personal allowance. Transferable amount, income limit. So... Oh, what the... What happened? So I just give you an idea of how I would calculate the tax stuff. Pension scheme. Okay. Oh, it's corporation tax. Okay. Where is it? UK tax system? No. Why didn't want to go down? Income tax computation. So this is a table that is kind of melted into my brain. You know, no one was here to comment. Why do I still have that? This is kind of melted into my brain. So, you know, trading profit. So this is like the self-employed thing, or if you own your own company, so you have trading profit. And then trading loss, relief brought forward. Just like in the taxation thing over there, she's like, oh, did you carry forward any tax refund or whatever? So it'd be a minus. But this is, you know, trading loss carried forward. And of course, employment income, then property income, blah, blah, blah. And then dividends, savings, building society interest, bank deposit interest, other interest. Total income. So you have it all here. Less qualifying interest. Less trading loss relief. Net income. Then when you get all these together, you get personal allowance. That's what I was asking about in the thing. Was there a personal allowance amount? That's why that all of my withholding tax would have been refundable to me. I don't know. But yeah, personal allowance. So if you remember, it was like 12,000 pounds, because you know sometimes you get net income and then you get reduced, and then sometimes taxable is like 0 or whatever. Employment income salaries must be included, and then from that you calculate the thing. The rate 20% basic. So non-savings, so stuff from here, from this one, so the taxable income here, this one would be recorded from these rates. Then savings, obviously the first 5,000 is 0. You take from this table here and then you get the thing. So the first 5,000 is at 0, so that's 0. And then above that, it's basic rate taxpayers. Oh, see, if your basic rate... okay, savings income benefits 0. For basic tax rate, savings income nil rate. So if... Because first you calculate the thing on the taxable income from non-savings. And then whatever's left over from that will be on the higher bands. So if you're in the higher band, because like savings is, I think it's after non-savings. Then after that, like say for instance, the first 5,000 is always 0 rate, I think. Then after that, let's say you are in the basic rate, right? So any income, whatever to that amount, will be nil rate. Okay, the savings income nil rate band for the tax year is £1,000. For higher rate taxpayers to 500. Additional rate taxpayers do not benefit from any savings income nil band rate. I actually don't remember what those mean. Should look at the calculations. Then, of course, after that, dividends are always, what do you call it? I think it was 12%. Yeah, that I'll give you a basic idea of how UK taxation is calculated. But let's look at Philippine tax rate. Let's look at 2024. Oh. In the UK tax one, even though you've got a band, what do you call it? You have an amount that is like 20% from 0 to how much? 10,000? You have a, what do you call it? Like $1 to this amount is 20%, right? But technically, I mean, I would say from a practical side is that $1 to 12,000 is at 0% because, you know, because, you know, the personal allowance reduces from the taxable income. So I would say, like, even though it's like, oh, 20%, $1, I have to pay 20% tax if I earn £100. No, you don't. You have a personal allowance. So I would say that 0%. I mean, from a practical side, like if $1 to this amount is like 0%. Here in Philippines, it's maybe US taxes like that also, but I don't know if they actually have personal allowance like UK tax. So maybe that's why in my tax calculation there was a refund for all withheld. Oh yeah, also in the tax calculation here, you have to calculate for, it's called payee. In Australia, it's called payee, but in UK, it's called payee. Pay as you earn. AYE. So where's taxpayer? Okay. Payers. There no PAYE? Okay, what the heck? So yeah, but PAYE, pay as you earn, is the same as the American and Philippine withholding tax. Okay, let me see. Okay, 0% income of 0 to 250,000 pesos, and then 15% above that. Okay, and then 20%. So let's calculate 250,000 pesos. PHP to USD. So 4,000. So $4,000 is in the 0%. Then above that, $4,000 to $7,000 is 15%. And what else? Yeah, and then you get the idea. But it's been a while since I calculated UK tax, since, you know, I didn't. It's been a while, and I don't really practice it because I mean, I don't really, I didn't retain the information on how to calculate it because I don't do taxes. I don't do UK taxes, and since I'm living in Philippines now, so it didn't retain because it's not really part of my profession or whatever. I should really learn Philippine taxation. Well, whatever. From what I've glanced at, Philippine taxation is way easier than UK taxation. I wonder if, like, because like I showed you like the little table of how I would calculate income tax for UK. I wonder if it's the same in US. But again, I like, oh, I'm filing the tax for this game and I have no idea why I get a tax refund. Anywho, that's it for today. Why did no one show up? I guess they don't like taxes. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll see you. I'll come back and well, no one's watching, so I guess it doesn't matter what I say. But yeah, I won't play this game again. It was a good distraction, but thanks for watching. Hope to see you for more games like Epic Mickey, and bye for now.